So today we are doing a Valentine's Day date night style look, and I have two lip options for you guys because why not? We all love options. I wanted to keep the look a little bit more wearable because if I'm being honest, I personally don't wear bright pink, bright red eyeshadow for Valentine's Day. Nothing wrong with it, but I think most people actually wear more of this kind of style of makeup for Valentine's Day or a date night. I will be having a fun kind of bright Valentine's Day look coming up really soon. And also, you guys, please excuse this little big bird ponytail. Like, it is what it is, you guys. This is who I am. Welcome to my channel. Anyway, you guys, let's get into the video. Don't forget to please subscribe, ring the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video, or as often as you like to be reminded about my videos. My videos are here for whenever you guys want to come and watch them. And please don't forget to share my videos with your friends and family. And make sure that you check the description for anything that doesn't get shown in the video. I always type up all the information of everything on my face down below. I leave links for you guys, so don't forget to check it out. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, guys, so I zoomed you in. First thing we're going to do is go in with our primer. This is the MAC Paint Pot Primer in the color Soft Ochre. And I'm just taking this BoxyCharm brush. There's no information on it. I'm sorry, guys. So once I have that done, I'm going to go in and I'm going to set with my Airspun translucent powder. So going right in, we're going to go in with the shade Had Me at Yellow, and we're just going to pop that into the crease. You guys, if you hear hammering in the background, I apologize. It's literally been silent outside until the moment that I started recording. So next I'm just going in with the shade Honey Badger, and I'm using the same brush. This is the brush Morphe M504. And I am going to go ahead and start dragging this one into the inner corner as well. So then we're going to go in with this Makeup Geek Soft Domed brush, and we're going into the shade Cheetah Bear. You guys, I love that she changed the name. It used to be called Cocoa Bear. That's what she called her ex-husband. And I don't know exactly what went down, but I'm assuming some cheating. And she changed the name to Cheetah Bear. And then just taking that Morphe M504, I'm just going to help start blending that into the center. So really I'm just trying to darken up the outer corners. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Chocolate Wasted. I'm using that same Makeup Geek brush. And I'm just really trying to build up the depth on the outer corners. So then again, still using that same Makeup Geek brush, I'm going to go into the shade Smoke Signal, and we're going to keep that closer to the waterline and kind of diffuse it very lightly. And then we're just going to dab into the color So Pale. And then we're going to pop that into the highest point in our brow bone. So once I have that laid down, I'm just going to take a flat brush and the same primer that I used, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to do like a half moon cut crease. I don't know exactly what you would call it, but we're just basically going to go right in here And I just want to make sure that it is over, like once I open my eye, that it's not going to transfer much. So just something like that, super simple. I don't need it to be perfect because I'm going to go in with glitter. So I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so once you have your cut crease to your liking, we're going to go in with the shade Legend, which is that coppery one. And we're just kind of using it as a base. So I'm just going in with it kind of lightly, just so it helps the edges look diffused. And then I'm just going to take with whatever's on that Makeup Geek brush, and we're just going to try to blend that. We just want to make sure that everything looks blended every step, just in case anything kind of like pops out or anything like that. And I'm also going to take my NYX glitter primer, and I also grabbed this little duo glue because I'm thinking that I might want to add a few big chunky glitters. I don't know, we'll see how I feel. And I'm just going to take that on a flat brush, and I'm just going to lay down, the glue right over this. And then we're going to go in, same brush, dip into our glitter. And then I'm just going to go in and detail anywhere where I feel like I need to fill in the glitter. And then I'm just going to take my finger and just kind of pat that down a little bit. Make sure that all the glitter is going to stay. But if it's too wet, give it a second to start drying and then pat it. Just because you don't want to make your glitter kind of like cloudy and like white looking from the glitter. So then I'm going to go back into that darkest shade we used. And I'm just going to tap in very lightly. And then we're going to try to ombre this. So you kind of want to stamp it a little bit over the glitter. So just blend it in enough to where you want it. Then I'm going to go in with that duo glue. And I think I am just going to put like a couple of chunky glitters. I don't want to do anything super dramatic because like I mentioned, I want it to be wearable. But I also just want it to be a little more noticeable. So I'm just going to do it kind of sporadically. And I'm literally putting the smallest amount of glue, and whatever sticks to it, sticks to it. Just like that. It just gives it like a little bit more dimension. My chunky glitter isn't cosmetic grade, so I won't be linking that down below. You guys do that at your own risk. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I'm doing my makeup the same way that I've always done it, and then I will come back so we could do the lips together. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I finished up the rest of my makeup. Everything will be listed down below, as I think I already mentioned. So now we're going to go on to the lip, and I'm going to do two lip combos. So the first one I'm going to do is the red, and I'm just going to use this Colourpop lip liner in the color Bossy. And we're just going to go in and line our lips. And then I'm just going in and coloring it in. And then we're going to go in with the Colourpop iluvsaraii in the shade Arriba. And it's just bright red. And you could leave it nice and bright like this. I personally like to go in and darken it up just a little bit on the outer corners. So I'm just taking my Alamar Cosmetics Coqueta lip liner. So once it dries down, it looks like this. I love this combo together when it's like super matte on the bottom and then the top is nice and shiny. But you could also go in with a red gloss or anything like that. This is just my preference. So now to show you the second option, and probably my personal favorite because I love nudes. So give me just 1 second. Okay, you guys, so I'm back. I went ahead and I took that off. So now we're moving into my personal favorite. And the reason that it's my personal favorite is because I'm okay while it's fading away. You guys, I am lazy and I don't like to have to go in and retouch up my makeup and take makeup with me. I just don't like that. And I feel like with the red lip, you're like committed to touch it up. So this one, I don't mind as it's fading away how it's looking. So we're going in with my Alamar Cosmetics Coqueta lip liner. And we're just gonna line the lips. And then I just go in and fill in the edges. And then I'm gonna take the Colourpop As If. This is just a white, like nudie shade, and we're just gonna fill it into the middle. I know that I'm looking crazy, you guys, I know, but we're just gonna go in and blend it. You can take a brush. I just do this lip thing. So once I have that blended, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go in with my Mami Spice Latte lip gloss. The reason that I'm going in with this one because I still want a little bit of that pink. So instead of bringing that pink and red to the eyes, I kind of really wanted to keep it more on the lips and have more of a neutral eye look. So just going in and and once you're done, that is your second lip look. So the reason that I went in with that white base was just to make sure that the pink gloss was gonna like really pop into that shade of pink. But you can go in with like a nudie pink lip liner if you want, or you know, whatever you want to put under. You don't need necessarily these exact products, but that is why I did it that way. But yeah guys, let me zoom you out so you can see the full look a little bit further away. So yeah guys, I hope that you really liked this look and that you found it fairly easy. Again, I want to remind you that you can literally change it up to any colors. It's just the technique of applying, but really you can use any shades. It doesn't have to be the Makeup Geek ones that I use, even though I am in love. And if you're going in with chunky glitter, remember, go in with the finer glitter first and then add little specks of that chunkier glitter. That way it doesn't look too thick on your eye and heavy. But yeah guys, I think that's going to be it from me. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Adios!